Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use custom CSS on your Wix website step by step. First, make sure you have the CMS installed on your site. This allows custom styling through datasets. Once added, select the element you want to style. For example, I will click on this text box. Now, click Connect to CMS here. This connects the element to a dataset where we can control styles dynamically. Here you can see, just click on dataset, then create a new data or use an existing one depending on your setup. Now the element is connected to the dataset. From here you can link the text, background and style fields as needed. Here you can see. For more advanced customization, you will need to use Velo by Wix. Click developer mode at the top, then enable Velo. Inside the code editor here, you can target elements by ID and apply custom styles using JavaScript like CSS, as you can see here in the code. And that's how you do custom styling on Wix using CMS and Velo. Like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.